Mavic Mini, the original one. This one was really a big deal when it came out. It unfolds like this, those are the Wi-Fi antennas, and downwards like this. It has a gimbal. It is a really nice drone. Again, below 250 grams, easy to fly, no problems. Comes with a remote. On the remote you have to attach your phone so that you can see where you're steering at. And this is the new one. This is the Mavic Mini 3 Pro. It also has its own gimbal protector. As you see, the camera is quite different. It has more headroom because it can go upward and downward much more. And the way it folds also changed, so those flaps out on the side, and the lower arms actually now are different. They fold all the way on, let's say, the axis of the drone. So they come out like this, and now it's unfolded. Now if you compare the two guys, you will see which one is bigger. Interestingly enough, the weight is the same. Both are sub 250 grams, and to both the same regulations apply. Let's do the first test, so noise test. Let's hear which one is louder. Ready to fly? Let's hear the Mavic Mini original. This is how it sounds. We are at roughly 3 meter distance. Let's try the Mavic Mini 3 Pro.
Please check it on the map.
As you hear, we have now GPS lock on the Mavic Mini 3 Pro. It stands much taller, I have to say, from the ground up, which is nice. So even if there's a bit of grass, you're not going to land it into the propeller. And as I said, this is a 3-inch drone. So let's boot it up. This is how it sounds before takeoff. And here is how it sounds after takeoff. So as you can hear, now I can talk quite easily. I would say the big difference that the noise that this drone makes is much at a lower pitch, not as a high pitch as the other one, and as such is less discomforting to the ear. Now we're gonna land it down again. I had a lot of fun flying it, especially I like the obstacle avoidance systems, really great, but be careful, it does not do obstacle avoidance when you're going upward. Keep that in mind. And I like the low latency of the controller. That's really a killer feature for me, so that you can fly even when you're far away from your drone. Here you can see the new remote, really nice. The screen is embedded and you're ready to fly. Subscribe if you'd like to see more, and I will see you in the next one.